Armstrong here, and I am so excited to be with you because we are going to start learning our letters and the sounds that they make. And I have a little friend here with me that's going to help us learn this year. It's Baby Echo. Baby Echo is an owlet, a baby owl. And echo is in his name. Do you know what echo means? Echo means a sound being repeated. And we're going to repeat sounds with Baby Echo this year. And so, we have some things behind me that are going to help us learn this year too. Baby Echo, do you want to take off flying and get us started? All right, here we go. Over here to our chart that has all of our letters. Now, I know a lot of you have been singing your ABCs, but we're not going to sing our ABCs. We are going to say them. And so, with Baby Echo and me, would you please say our ABCs? Here we go. Ready? Whoop, flying over. Starting with A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job, Baby Echo. Great job, class. Okay, so now I'm going to have Baby Echo fly to the letter that we're learning this week. Ready? Here we go. And Baby Echo landed on our first letter. What letter is this? This is letter A. Now I have a big card here that has a picture on it. And this card is going to help us know what the A says or what sound it makes. What do you see? What picture is that? It's an apple. I love apples. An apple has the sound ah at the beginning. Here we have a capital or an uppercase A, and we have a lowercase a. And when we read this card and Baby Echo reads this card, Baby Echo will say A, apple, ah. And then when I have point Baby Echo to you, you're going to repeat it. Same thing, because that's what echo means, to hear the same thing. So I'm going to say A, apple, ah. Very good. All right. So now we're going to fly over to our writing chart. In our writing chart, using our writing chart, I'm going to show you how we make a capital A and a lowercase a. But I'm going to have to put Baby Echo down for just a minute and pick up my pen. So you have a little rest. There you go. All right. So here's my chart. And going across the very top of my chart are clouds and the sun. And where do we find that? Way up in the sky. We call this the skyline. Now underneath the clouds is, you can look up and sometimes you see a plane flying. And this is what we call the plane line. This is where a plane would fly. Then here we have a little flowers, some grass. We call this the grass line. And then if you dig underground, under the grass, you're going to find, sometimes you find worms. And we call this the worm line. So we have the skyline, we have the plane line, we have the grass line, and underneath we have the worm line. And you're going to find out why we call them this. This is going to help us write our letters. All right, so I have my handy dandy pen, and what I'm going to do, to write the capital or the uppercase A, it's going to go like this. We're going to start at the skyline, and we're going to do a diagonal line down to the grass line. And then we're going to go back up to the sky, and we're going to go down to the ground, to the grass line again. And then we're going to cross it where the plane flies. Can you see that? So, A, apple, ah. A, apple, ah. Now to make a lowercase a, we are going to start where the plane flies, and we're going to A, apple, A. We're going to make a curved line from the plane line, bump the grass line back up to the plane line, and back down to the grass line. A, apple, A. A, apple, A. All right. Then we also, sometimes I'll have little cards like this. These are my sound cards. And I don't know if you can see, I'm going to get kind of close here. But sometimes the A looks like this in books. It's a little bit different from the one I wrote. But it also says A, apple, A. A, apple, A. Hey, baby Echo, I think we did pretty good for the day. How about you? Great. All right. We'll see you tomorrow.